What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and evaluating this SUPERJARE desk. And full disclosure, I did get this for free in order to do this video, but it won't be affecting anything I say, so let's get to it. All right, so the desk is complete. As for installation, you can expect 40 minutes to an hour of assembly. The user manual is really useful. Just be really careful when you're installing the bars and like the racks and such for which way they go. And some of them have holes on a different side, which will be important later on the future steps. I made a few mistakes, just not paying close enough attention to the manuals. And it does fortunately come with all the tools you'll need for it. There's this mini screwdriver and an Allen wrench and then a little metal wrench here too, which is really useful. So you literally don't need any tools, it all comes with it. The desk also comes with these corner kind of grommets that you can loosen the screw under here and keep these on if you have kids or just want to be extra careful about the corners. But I think the corners do look clean and classy too, so I'm not going to use them, but that is an option. The finish looks really, really good. It has a storage down here. Have the cable rolled up, but you can simply uncable tie that and plug her in over there in an outlet and so on. This is so nice. One of my favorite features of this desk. 2 USB ports and 4 3-prong outlets. Super smooth and glossy finish, feels so good. This drawer is pretty light duty, but it does hold its shape and has a heavy duty handle, and it just slides on these little slots here. Some more storage down here. You could store a computer or files, and it is really nice having this storage under the desk right there as well. Here's what the other side looks like. And I like that it's classy looking enough that this isn't a desk that looks really bad from the other side like some, and just looks nice and classy. So hopefully this video shows you exactly what to expect with this SUPERJARE desk. I'll catch you on the next one.